And we often forget this very important fact of nature. Let's look at it carefully. This is the cheetah, hungry for food. Jitna bhook hai. And if you ask the cheetah who is lucky, the cheetah will say the deer is lucky. Why? Because every day in the morning when the deer wakes up, बहुत खाना है खाने के लिए ना, सब जगह घास होता है. The cheetah can eat once in 10 days. So he'll say the deer is lucky. But you ask the deer who is lucky. The deer will say the cheetah is lucky, because the cheetah may eat once in 10 days, but when it eats a full stomach. A deer can eat every day but can never eat a full stomach, because when your stomach is full, you cannot run. You cannot run. So who is lucky? Do you want to be a cheetah or a deer? Eat once in 10 days, bharpet. Eat every day but never bharpet. Nature doesn't give everything. So somebody will say, काश मैं जॉब करता, वो अच्छा होता. Somebody will say, काश मैं business करता, वो अच्छा होता. Each one has a set of problems. There is no escape from problems. काश मैं single होता, अच्छा होता. काश मैं शादीशुदा होता, अच्छा होता. ऐसे नहीं चलता है, दोनों जगह प्रॉब्लम है. There is no escape. यज्ञ में यज्ञ करना पड़ता है, तथास्तु के लिए स्वाहा देना पड़ता है. There is no escape. This has a fear of scarcity. The hungrier it is, the better hunter it becomes. And this is the poor deer, frightened. Look at this picture. This one is hungry for food. This one is hungry for something else. Survival, security. उसके पास बहुत लक्ष्मी है. देखो कितना लक्ष्मी है उसके पास. In fact, the more Lakshmi is, the more nervous it is. You know why? Because the bigger the grass, the more cats more cheetahs, more lions in the grass hiding. You can't see. So jitna paisa, utna insecurity. Good for financial advisors. Look at your customer. The customer has more than enough money, but he's afraid. कोई मेरा पैसा ले जाएगा, कुछ मुझे निकल जाएगा, क्या होने वाला है मेरा, फ्यूचर में क्या होगा, मेरे बच्चों का क्या होगा. Insecurity, fear of predation, it will all go away. So now look at this picture and ask, who is the customer and who are you? Before the contract and after the contract. And that's life. You're chasing something. Somebody is chasing you or you are chasing someone else. But the thing is, this is the cheetah. It has a target. What is the Hindi word for target? From Laksh comes Lakshmi. उसके बिना दुनिया नहीं चलती है. अन्न नहीं होगा, पानी नहीं होगा तो मर जाओगे. We call it resources, without which your business won't survive, without which your organization won't survive, the people won't survive. You need it. It's the fundamental principle of nature. So somebody says मुझे लक्ष्मी नहीं चाहिए, वो बुद्धू है. He can't survive. He's an idiotic person. No organization can survive. That's one of the biggest mistakes we did in the socialist era. We had businesses and industry and nobody thought of top line and bottom line. When it collapses, then you have trouble. Now you can't decide capitalist बनना है, socialist बनना है, capitalist बनना है, socialist बनना है. Because you can't decide, because boss, business runs with Lakshmi. उसके बिना दुनिया नहीं चलेगी. You need this. But that is not the only thing you need. This is what the cheetah wants. What about the deer? The deer doesn't want Lakshmi, it wants something else. It wants security. To be secure, we build, in old days they used to build a fence around the house to protect yourself. That is a fort. Killa. Any other word for killa in Hindi? Durg. From Durg comes Durga. Security, power. We want to feel safe, and that is one lesson that every person in your business, if you want to think big and beyond, remember, your Swaha is Durga. The Tathastu is Lakshmi. What your client wants from you is security. My money is safe. And it grows. But I want security. And I want constant feedback that it is safe. Every time I read the paper, hey baapre, rupee value gone down. Have you called up your customers and told them it's okay? Kuch nahi hua hai? If you haven't, you are in trouble, because he's absolutely nervous right now. Because it's terrifying. I don't understand what it means. मेरे को सच में समझ में नहीं आता अंग्रेजी में क्या बोलते हैं ये लोग कि what is this whole business of rupee falling? I don't understand. I have a lot of money and I'm wondering what has happened to my money. If my financial advisor will not comfort me, who will? So just quickly cross check. Have you talked to your top 10 clients since yesterday? If you have not, you're losing out on this opportunity because they're all nervous right now. And that's important. This is what makes a difference between a good financial advisor and a great financial advisor. He senses the problem rapidly, the insecurity of the customers. We are frightened. I want to feel safe. We all seek power. We want to feel good about ourselves. Now, Durga is a complex concept. I'll just explain it only using one example. There are many, many examples. One example. How many of you all like to go to high school reunions? Do you feel a little nervous? What will people think? Have you succeeded or not? That nervousness is this. Many people are afraid of going to high school reunions because डर लगता है. लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Your friend looks at you and says, क्या हालत बना दी है? क्या handsome था तू? You get very depressed, no? उसने दुर्गा छीन ली. But imagine if the friend says, अरे you look exactly the way you looked in school. Even if he's lying, you believe him. उसने मुझे दुर्गा दी है. I like it. Let me give you an example of Durga. Look at this picture. This is Aarti, ritual. We all know this famous Aarti. We do Aarti. You take lamp and you wave it around the Devata. Now look at this Aarti ritual. You're looking at the deity carefully and you're singing a bhajan. Now what is a bhajan? Have you ever heard a bhajan carefully? You are so beautiful, you are so handsome, you have a good eyes, good nose, good stomach, good legs. You have defeated Demon 1, Demon 2, Demon 3, Demon 4. You have rescued devotee 1, devotee 2, devotee 3. Why are you telling God this? He knows it. And you tell it 3 times a day, every day. क्यों? उसको सर्वज्ञानी है ना? Because even God likes to hear good things about himself. जैसा स्वाहा वैसा तथास्तु. Now ask yourself, when was the last time you did Aarti of your wife or husband? When was the last time you did Aarti of your parents? When was the last time you did Aarti of your customer, of your investor, of your talent, your employees? When you meet them, do you do Aarti or they want to run away from you? अरे बाप रे, अभी बॉस आया पूछेगा टारगेट हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. And he gets nervous because you're always taking Durga away from him. You're not making him feel empowered. तो रंगभूमि क्या रणभूमि होगा ना? Think about it. You go home at 9 o'clock at night and then you see your son and your son is hiding because he knows father is asking, homework kiya? That's the only question that is going to be asked. He's not saying that, I think you're a very nice person. The boy will get very nervous if you say such things. We don't praise people enough. And genuine praise. बोलते ना भक्ति से भजन गाना चाहिए. For all सबको पता चलता है. But when was the last time you checked what are the achievements of your wife, your family, your talent people, all the good things they have done? We don't. हम लोग दुर्गा दान ही नहीं देते हैं. Does it cost you anything? Nothing. But कंजूस नहीं दूंगा. It doesn't cost you anything to praise a person, but we don't do it. And then we wonder, Lakshmi मेरे तरफ क्यों नहीं आ रही है? And that is the difference between Indra Charitra and Vishnu Charitra. Vishnu is abundant praise. Everything is wonderful. And makes you feel good. When was the last time somebody praised you? तुम्हारी आरती किसने की? किसी ने ही नहीं की. तो देवता मेरी कोई नहीं की, मैं क्यों किसकी करूं?